Fine, this is problem number 22. So based on average, let us check out here. The average age of a class of 40 students is 18 years. When the teacher's age is also included, to calculate the average age becomes 19 year. Correct? 19 year. What is the teacher's age? We need to find the teacher's age here. First of all, so they have given the average age of the 40 students. 40 students is 18 years. Correct? We know that average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation, right? Correct. Now we need to know the sum. The sum is equal to how much? Average into number of observation, number of students. Number of students is 40. That is number of students. Let us consider this is students. Now what happens? Average is equal to, they have given 18 into number of students is 40. Let us multiply this. 18 zeros are 0, 18 fours are, right? 18 fours are 72. This is sum of the age of students. Correct. Now let us check out the one more case, that is when the teacher age is also included. To calculate the average age becomes 19 year. Now we already have 40 students, right, plus one teacher. Now total number of people there is 41, right? Now their average becomes 19 years. Now let us find out, based on this, sum of the 41 people, that is 40 students plus one teacher, is equal to average into number of people. Correct? Number of people. Average is equal to 19 and number of people is 41. Just multiply it here. So 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1, 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7, 9, 6 plus 1, 7 and 7. This is what? The sum of 41, and this is sum of 40. So sum of students plus teacher minus sum of students will give the teacher's age. Correct? So sum of students plus teacher is 779 minus sum of students is 770, 720. Correct? Now subtract this. 9 minus 0 is 9, 7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 0. So the teacher age is 59 years. The answer here is A.